In today's video, I want to show you how to reset Face ID on iPhone. To reset your Face ID on iPhone, it's very simple and very basic to do. So this is what you have to do. The first thing I want you to do, I want you to go to your settings on your iPhone. So once you get to the settings on your iPhone, I want you to scroll down. Once you scroll down, tap on Face ID and passcode. So once you tap on Face ID and passcode, this will ask you to put in your password. So I want you to put in your phone passcode. So once you put in your phone passcode, it will load up the Face ID page for you. Once it loads up this page, what I want you to do here, I want you to scroll down a little bit. You are going to see Reset Face ID. I want you to tap on that Reset Face ID. So once you tap on the Reset Face ID, it will load up this. So to now set it up again, you want to tap on Set Up Face ID. So let's tap on that Set Up Face ID. So once you tap on the Set Up Face ID, to ask you how to set up your Face ID, tap on Get Started. So once you tap on Get Started, it will ask you to scan your face. You just want to scan your face, just turn your head like a circle. So once you turn your head, the first Face ID will be set up. So tap on Continue again. Then once you tap on Continue again, put in your face, scan your face again. So once you scan your face again, it will set up your new Face ID. As you can see, Face ID is now set up. So guys, this is how you can actually reset your Face ID on iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.